Hey, what's going on, compadre? How you doing? Jeff Heyman here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. All right, before I tell you what daily ads is, let me be straight with you. If daily ads does even a quarter of what I think it's going to do in the next 12 months, you'll do yourself a huge favor by dropping everything that you're doing and giving me your attention for just a few minutes. All right, let's dive right in. Daily Ads is a brand new web traffic company with a profit sharing compensation plan. And when I say profit sharing, here's what I mean. You can earn from the activity of your team, even if you personally don't refer a single person. Yes, even zero people. Now, there's more detailed info below about the compensation plan and the advertising benefits, and I definitely recommend watching those. But in this short video, I want to focus on something more important, and I want to talk about momentum, speed, and the team that you align yourself with, because in a structure like this, that part really matters. All right, I call our team the dream team, and here's why I'm paying such close attention to daily ads. Every now and then a company enters the marketplace where the timing, the simplicity, and the compensation all line up at the exact same time. And when that happens, things can move really fast. A few years ago, I positioned myself early in a company like that. I built a worldwide team of over 100,000 people and earned over $180,000 in my first year. And it's not because I was super special and not because I had some secret trick, but because I positioned early with the right team and the right vehicle. And daily ads has that same early stage energy. All right, some companies take months, even years, to reach the number of paid members daily ads reached in its first 30 days. And that kind of early traction matters. And here's why it's taking off. It's because it's traffic. Everybody needs traffic, guys. Nobody wakes up and says, you know what I have too much of? Traffic. It's simple to understand and it's easy to use. It gets results. I've already generated leads and I've only been a member a short while, and the leadership behind it knows what they're doing. Now, let's talk about the part most people overlook, the team. Now, with a profit sharing structure like this, who you join under is a strategic decision because growth flows somewhere. All right, that growth is flowing somewhere, and you want to be positioned where growth is happening. You don't want to be chasing it later. Now, my direct upline is Richard and John Weberg, father and son duo who've collectively done well over seven figures online and been respected leaders in this space for years. Then there's me. I've also done seven figures online and personally recruited thousands across multiple companies. In one company alone, I brought in 1,424 paid members, and I fully intend to build big here as well. But it doesn't stop there. All right, strategically positioned directly under me are leaders like Manda Bossbabe, Ed Keat, and Richard Deigel. As you can see here, this is my personal matrix. You've got me, then I've got Manda Bossbabe, Ed Keat, and Richard Deigel. Now, if you've been around this space, you've likely heard of them, but even if you haven't, just know this. Between the Webergs, myself, and the leaders aligned with us, it's extremely realistic that we bring in well over 1,000 new members in the next 12 months. Because this is a forced matrix profit sharing structure, those new members only have one direction to go, and that is down into the team. And that's why positioning matters. Now, let's quickly cover the matrices here. There are three. Bronze is a 2x5 for $10 per month. Silver is a 3x7 for $27 per month, and the gold is launching soon. Now, what I like about this structure is how smart it is designed. All right, guys, the bronze matrix is structured to help you potentially get into profit quickly and cover the cost of the higher levels. And when your commissions cover your membership, daily ads simply uses your earnings to pay your monthly fees. And guys, what that means is the business can sustain itself. Because of the profit sharing structure, it's possible to earn enough to cover your membership, even if you personally refer no one. Of course, there are no guarantees, but the structure itself makes sense. So when getting started, bronze alone can generate a nice little income. But if you want to position yourself seriously, maximize the traffic, and maximize the commissions, then participating in all available matrices puts you in the strongest positions. More chances to make money, more exposure, and more upside. So that's it for this video, guys. Scroll down, watch the full breakdowns, see how everything works in detail. And if this resonates with you, lock in your position and align with the dream team. Talk soon.